This patented impeller pump air conditioner uses 25% power only compared to a compressor air conditioner. This invention uses an impeller pump, 2 tanks, 2 four-way valves, and a sensor to replace the compressor. The way this invention works is by producing pressure via an impeller pump, where the impeller pump sucks the liquid from one tank and pumps the liquid to the other tank. The tank which being sucked, the pressure gets low, so the freon will move from the evaporator to this tank. The tank which being pumped liquid into it, the pressure gets high, so the freon will move from this tank to the condenser via the oil separator. The compressor compresses the freon via metal pistons. This invention compresses the freon via liquid pistons situated inside the tanks. The function of the sensor is to switch pumping directions. So when all the freon passes by the sensor, then the liquid comes and touches the sensor. Then a signal is sent from the sensor to the controller, where the controller sends a signal to all 4 valves to close 4 open valves and to open 4 closed valves. Always the closing of valves take place before the opening, so the pressure stay as it is in the pipes. The vertical impeller pump and the 2 tanks, when squeezed together, will make a new compressing unit. The volume this unit will be twice the size of the compressor used now in the air conditioner. So it will be easy to replace the compressor by this new unit. This impeller pump unit will have 4 outlets. One for the evaporator to be connected to, one for the condenser to be connected to, one for the oil accumulator, and one for charging the AC or the air conditioner with freon. All the remaining parts of the air conditioner stay as they are. The evaporator, the condenser, the oil separator, the receiver, and of course the expansion valve. The 4-way valves in this animation shown in a way to explain the idea, but in reality they will be compact like this picture shown here. The oil separator function is to send back to the tank all the liquid which accumulates in it. As we see here, whereas the liquid rises in the oil separator, the ball will move up and it will open the valve, so the liquid start to return from the oil separator to the tank. There is a one-way valve between the oil separator and the tank, which only allow the liquid to move in one direction. That's from the oil separator to the tank. There is a second one-way valve between the tank and the condenser, which only allow the freon to move in one direction, that is, from the tank to the condenser. There is a third one-way valve between the tank and the evaporator, which only allow the freon to move in one direction, that's from the evaporator to the tank.